Hello, my name is Jessica. I'm so excited to be in this course and really excited for these assignments, specifically the math identity ones. Um, but for starters, um, okay, from birth through third grade. Um, so I don't remember quite much from birth through third grade, but I remember my first memory that I have was in the fourth grade, and it was just, I remember that's when I started really struggling with math. So much so that my mom actually had gone to the school and she was like, I don't know what's happening, like she's just not grasping, like we're doing homework. I remember doing homework at home and us just not being able to grasp it. Now that I say that, I think it goes before that, maybe even to the third grade, because we would do homework at home and I just could not understand it. And obviously, my mom would get a little bit frustrated. My parents would get frustrated because they're like, why isn't our kid grasping it? And then fast forward to the fourth grade is another distinct memory of my fourth grade teacher, who was super awesome, reaching out to actually come in early and do tutoring with me before school started. That meant a lot to me because, like, just him taking time out of his day, which as a kid I wasn't thinking about it like that, but like thinking back, that's a very kind thing for someone to do. And so I remember we would get tutoring, but in my head I was like, how come no one else needs it? And I remember, I guess I would say my third memory is in the same classroom. I remember like we would take a test and I would see like everyone, my classmates understanding it, and then I would look at my score and I didn't score what they had scored, and or we would do the quick math drills, and some students would understand it, and I just could not grasp it, and this was hard for me because I just felt defeated, I think, but I think that as a child I didn't really know like that was something that I was feeling. I think I just felt it and never acknowledged it, obviously, because I was a kid. But now looking back, that's definitely something that stuck with me, and it's pretty comforting to know that in the readings I learned about how it's not like you're born with mathematical skills or you're not. Like your brain can develop connections and keep on growing, and I did not know that your mathematical abilities could be developed like that. So that was pretty comforting to know. That's pretty awesome that your brain can do that. But yes, so I that was kind of my early elementary experiences, but yeah, I'm excited to talk about my kind of later elementary, middle school ones next time. Thank you.